That looks tough, भाई. I'm not even like 5 minutes is too little. क्या भाई आप कुछ कह रहे थे?
भाई प्राग मास्टर चलो ठीक है. आई थिंक दिस टूर्नामेंट एनीवे आई थिंक दिव्या के लिए अच्छा था, बाकी सब लोग अच्छा गया नहीं, दैट्स फॉर श्योर नाउ. व्हाट डू यू सी द चेंज, लाइक मतलब 24 में हम लोग मतलब बोल रहे हैं ना, मतलब मार रहे थे, मतलब जैसे माही मार रहा है वाला डायलॉग है ना, वैसे हम लोग क्रशिंग इट, लाइक एवरीथिंग वी वर विनिंग. Then 2025 में first half Prag was killing it, like he was playing some amazing chess. Second half में I think we struggled a lot. I think Grand Swiss say only Arjun got that medal during World Rapid in place. And now 2026 Tata Steel to again standings. We couldn't see a single Indian in the first half or the second half of the event. And same here by the way. Same discussion मैं समय और राकेश करते रहते हैं कि भाई कोई first half में जहाँ पर दिख नहीं रहा है. So how do you think that shift happened? Because I would assume कि Indian players have more resources now than they did earlier. Do you think this is like lack of effort? Do you think this is just a wave, right? मतलब पहले format या format नहीं है, or do you think like this is just luck? Like what is your interpretation of why all the Indian players suddenly are out of form at the same time?
I wouldn't really say all of them because I think it hasn't. Maybe it's that 2024 की वजह से हमारी expectations इतनी ज़्यादा high हो गई हैं कि we are just expecting every Indian to win every single tournament, and that's not fair on the player because Azalwa, you've played professional chess. I've played professional chess. We know exactly कि chess में ऐसा होता नहीं है. Like no one player outrightly. I mean, Magnus is maybe the only exception, yeah, but no player outrightly like wins everything. No nation automatically like dominates every single event. ऐसा कभी होता नहीं है. So I think they were in form, but maybe they are not as much in form anymore. And also, it's like I think the players are also carrying the weight of people's expectations and also the weight of their losses from the previous event. So I think it's a mix of scoring a couple of runs. So I feel that's very, very important.
Interesting. So that would align with, let's say, a wave kind of structure. Yeah. So maybe one win for players would change the tide around. But I think there's one thing. I think tactical awareness is something we noticed so Mukesh in this event. I think it started from that loss against Motherbek. Like he's been tactically very off.
क्योंकि आप अपने आप को डाउट करने लग जाते हो because like missing that. Making a one move blunder and missing that are two very different things. Because आप ये understand करोगे वो पहली चीज तो वो check थी. पहले तो pawn check से मर रहा है फिर rook check से मर रहा है. तो that it's a very I think a big oversight, a big black spot that sometimes I think a lot of chess players face. But it makes you question yourself. Yeah, ठीक है. I mean, and then next time you play a game, each time you're looking at those checks कि भाई कुछ check miss तो नहीं हो रही, कोई threat miss तो नहीं हो रहा, and that disrupts your flow in how you normally play. Do you think that Mukesh was thinking about these things when he was playing against Ding? Of course not, because he didn't have to. He trusted himself, and this is perhaps why he's getting low on time, because he's double checking, triple checking things that he's already checked before, and I think that makes sense. Yeah.
True. Very interesting chat. I think chess is very complex, and Indian players, are gonna get some wins under their belt. I think Mukesh has played a bunch of events. Maybe tiredness could be one of the reasons.
कुछ moves भी हो गए हैं उधर.
हाँ, okay. Let's
थोड़ा आगे Arvind, I think he's made a.
Divya has drawn. Wow. So after F3, Rook A2, King F1, Divya has also drawn. So two results coming in very quickly for India. Now only one game remains, chat. So Surya has drawn, Divya has drawn. Now the only game that remains is